Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel, and I hope you will try my journey. In today's video, I will do a review of my bag and what would fit in here, also my thoughts about this bag. So let me show you a closer look of the bag. Look at this beauty. This is the Birkin in size 30 and in return style, and it is in rose extreme color. It has gold hardware with Togo leather. Togo is the type of leather that is grained and texture and more scratch resistant. Togo leather is very popular from Hermes. I already had everything in here that I will show you soon, but first I will show you a close look of the outside. This is the back and this is the side. It has two handles and it has 4 feet in the bottom. Right now I decorate this bag with the rodeo in single pink color. This rodeo charm is in size PM, very soft, very cute, and it is perfect for this bag. I took this Birkin with me to Hermes store last week, so I still have everything in there that I took with me. I'm gonna show you right now. This is everything. I don't know if you can see it. I already have the organizer in here, and let me take one thing out at a time so I can show you easier. This wallet is from Chanel. I don't use this wallet much anymore, but because it's pink, I just took it out and used with this bag. This is my catch-all. I had, let me show you what I have in here. Floss, lip gloss, lotion, Band-Aid, perfume from Hermes, and glue for my lashes. I could put more things in here, but that is all I needed for the trip then. I have Chanel sunglasses. This glass case is very big, but because of this bag is big, so I could have this case in this bag. Let me put it on so you can see how it is. It looks so classic. And I also have 6 key holder. My key clay, I have my husband's car key in here, and also my drive license and my credit card, the most used one. Here's a card holder from Pochette Kirigami, very cute. It can hold a bunch of cards. And I have hand sanitizer. This is a must-have right now. This is the lipstick from Hermes. This one is the limited edition in coral color, and that is the color I have on right now. Very bright, like coral color, but I love it. And this one is Rose Boisé, very neutral color. I have video unboxing these lipsticks. You can check it out with the link above. I also have an all-nighter from Urban Decay. I don't use foundation or powder all the time, but because I just love the look of the case, so I bought it just to use a mirror. Look. And I also bring with me the scarf, which I got from Hermes. It's very good idea to keep the scarf in your bag just in case you go some restaurant or somewhere that's cold. You can cover you with this, or just in case it rains, so you can cover you and your bag just to protect the leather. And that is all in my bag. Let me show you the inside with the organizer. I also got the organizer in pink to match the bag. It's match very closely. Yes, so now let me take the organizer out so you can see the inside. The interior is a big, very spacious compartment. You can see one slip pocket on one side and one zip pocket on the opposite side. This Birkin is in full leather, so it's a little heavy. It's light right now, but if you put all the stuff in, it gets a little heavy. I don't really overstuff it because it would get really heavy. I usually carry this bag on crook of my arm or just handheld like this. There's no strap for this Birkin. It just has the two handles. Sometimes I put the tulle on the handles, but this bag I never put any tulle because I just love the look of the bag with the rodeo right now, and the color is already bright. I don't want too much going on with this bag. It also comes with the crochet, which I always keep in the dust bag and leave it at home. You can hang it on this bag as well, but since I already have the rodeo charm, this is gonna be too much if I put them together. And also because of the lock, it may make the bag heavier. It comes with the two keys in here. Yeah. So I just got this Birkin a few months ago in February before the lockdown, so I didn't really have a chance to use this bag much. I just used this like few times only, and the most recent is last week. I couldn't believe that my SA showed me this color because he asked me what color I want. He knows that I like bright color, so he asked me if I like blue, yellow, or pink, and in just a second, I told him that I like pink. Then he went to the back. After a while, he brought back this Birkin.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, I don't even expect.
Well, I actually. Well, I'll take it.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Nice color.
Nice bright color.
Yeah.
You did tell me bright.
Yes. I don't dress up bright today, but yes. I was so happy I could get this color, especially in the month of February, Valentine's Day, and also my birthday month. So it's perfect. And the same day after this bag, he asked me if I want any rodeo, and I said, of course, let's show me. And this is what he showed me. Perfect match. I couldn't believe it. That is my first time because I used to see black rodeo, single color black, but this is the first time that I saw it in single color. Love it, love it. I'm very happy with this purchase. I know this Birkin is a dream bag for a lot of women out there. Most of people would like dark color or neutral color, but for me, I love bright color. Of course, black color is still on my wish list, but I always love bright colors. Yes, so although bright color is not a cup of tea for everyone, but for me, I love it. Yes, so this Birkin is in size 30, one of the very popular size from Hermes. This size 30 is perfect for my height. I'm only 5'1". This goes nicely with my height. I still want the Birkin 25. Although size 30 is good, I still want a little smaller Birkin in size 25. Birkin is released in 1997 and very sought after bag. It is a very good investment bag because it can hold its value. If you're lucky enough, you can get it from Hermes store. Of course, If you go to France, you may have chance to get it easier. It's a different story. But here in the US, it is not easy at all to get your bag at the boutique. If you go to pre-love market, of course, there are always bags out there that you can get for maybe double price, or it depends on the condition of the bag that you have to pay for. If you are lucky enough, you can get this Birkin from Hermes store. If you plan to get this Birkin or Kelly, I recommend you to stick with one SA. If you see something on the website that you want to get, don't buy from the website, but go to Hermes store, meet your SA, and ask him if he can order the piece or whatever you want to order. Because every time you spend something at Hermes store, they would keep the records, so they know who you met, when you came, and what you spent on. So try to build up good relationship with your SA, because it's not only you have to buy things from the store, but you have to have good relationship. That helps a lot too. I don't think they have a waiting list anymore. If you walk in, just ask them to be on the waiting list without buying anything. I don't think you would have a chance to get the bag. If you are lucky enough, you may be able to meet the SA that can offer the bag for the first time you walk into the store. It's like you win the lottery. You spend your money, but if you resell it, you would make a lot of money on it. But of course, it depends on the color, the size of the bag, and the type of leather too. Let me show you the close look of this bag in daylight. So beautiful. The bag look very simple. I usually carry the bag open like this, so I can get everything easier. Even when it's not in use, I still have the flap open like that, because I always have my organizer in here to keep it structured. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm looking forward to seeing you back in my next video. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye now.